Hi guys! So I want to share with you some of my favorite quotes from Disneyland. That's including quotes about Disneyland that Walt himself said or other Imagineers or whatever, and also quotes from the rides and all that fun stuff. So here we go.
Hi Alexa, have a good day.
Thank you. So one of the best quotes about Disneyland is actually Walt's opening day speech, and he says, "To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past, and here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world." And it is. So, good job, Disney.
Your destiny now lies beyond.
Flight open. Please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next.
Another quote that I can't film being said anymore because it was on Tower of Terror is "Wave goodbye to the world." It's just so fun, and I'm so sad that we had to wave goodbye to Tower of Terror. Another super awesome quote that I feel is fit on Main Street is when Walt once said, "Disneyland will never be complete. It will continue to grow as long as there is imagination left in the world." So let's keep holding on to imagination.
And when you see that old rare rabbit, he's sure ain't laughing no more. If you finally have how come you aren't laughing?
Of the Ray Bradbury tree right now. I have a quote from Ray Bradbury, and it says, "If we can borrow some concepts from Disneyland and Disney World and Epcot, then indeed the world can be a better place." That's so cute. And this is the Ray Bradbury tree. For more info on the Ray Bradbury tree, get this book. Link in the description.
Jones waiting for them. What to play? Psst, faster. It'd be too late to alter course, sweetie.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Walt Disney once said, "I hope we never lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse."
Walls and lay them to rest in the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Come on, everybody, here we go! On to Neverland!
Face forward and hold on like you mean it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, scream!
And where would we be without this sound?
Stay seated. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the lock, and be sure to wash your feet.
Please stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs, and antennae inside by one dimension at all times.
Maintain hands, arms, feet, legs inside your train.
Your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rocket machine.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. Also remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Make sure you keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport.
Alright, that's it for my Disneyland quotes video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check the description box for lots of fun info, like the link to my book and to social medias and stuff. And always remember, this is one of my favorite quotes. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. Thank you for watching. Bye.